morning Year 5 and welcome back to our week on ratio. Here are the answers to your factors tasks from yesterday. I've got my working out there for you in case you needed it, and there will be a still if you keep the video rolling. Today we are going to move on. Using the work we did on factors, we're going to talk specifically about common factors. Okay, so common factors is when a factor is a factor of more than one number. They have that in common. So for an example, I'm going to use a Venn diagram. It's a nice visual way to show it. So just a reminder, a Venn diagram is when you have two or more circles and all numbers with one feature go in one circle and a different feature go in the other circle. If there's a number that goes in both, it goes where they overlap in the middle, and if it doesn't go in any, you can write it around the outside. So I'm going to put in this circle, I'm going to write all the factors of 12. And in this one, I'm going to put all the factors of 15. So I want to find the common factors of 12 and 15. Now what I could do to help me is write out the factors of those numbers first. So if you find that useful, you can absolutely do that. Or you can just use your knowledge of times tables to help you if the number's quite small. If the numbers were bigger, you probably would want to do your factor pairs first. So number 1, well, we know that 1 is a factor of every number, so we're going to put it in the middle. 2, well, 12 is even, 15 isn't, so 2 is only going to be in factors of 12. 3, well, if I count up in threes, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, it's in both of them. 4 is a factor of 12, 4, 8, 12. So I'm going to put 4, but it's not a factor of 15 because we'd get to 16, wouldn't we, next? I know that 5 is going to be a factor of 15 because it ends in 5, but not 12. Lots of math skills coming into play here, thinking about what you know about numbers. 6 is half of 12, but 15 isn't in the 6 times table. 7, 14, 21, no, none of them, so it goes around the outside. 8, 16, no. Counting up in 9s then, 9, 18, no, that's not going to go. 10 isn't going to be a factor of any of them. 11 isn't. 12 is going to be a factor of itself. 13 and 14 are not going to be there. But 15 is going to be a factor of 15. So that's just one way of displaying it. You could just do the lists of factors if you want to and put a circle around the common ones if you find that easier. Okay, so the common factors, the factors that they have in common, common factors of 12 and 15 are 1 and 3. So 12 and 15 have 2 common factors. Okay, I'm just going to show you what it would look like written out in case you find the Venn diagram more confusing. So just by finding the factor pairs, using the same technique as we used yesterday, going through, making sure we didn't miss any numbers out, just to find the factors like this. Okay, so let's just check that matches up. Yeah, okay, so you can see number 1 is in both lists and so is number 3. So the common factors of 12 and 15 are 1 and 3. So today's task is about finding common factors. You might want to do Venn diagrams, you might want to do lists, you might want to do both. Here's your task. So have a go at that and I will come back with the answers tomorrow.